Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable battery power saving mode and explain all of its settings on your Realme C35, but it also works on any Realme series like C31 and any other. So in order to actually enable our power saving mode, there's a few ways. The first one is to go to your settings, find battery, and from here enable battery saver, then turn on now. So now we have the battery power saving mode on, and in order to disable it, simply press turn off now. The second way is to enable the ultra saving mode, and it will greatly improve our battery lifetime, but the entire phone won't be the same. So let's just enable that for a second just to show you. So as you can see, we don't have normal home screen, and we don't get to navigate around menus anymore. We only have phone, messages, contacts, hour, and the month, current month in the day. We can add apps right here for the ultra power saving mode, so you can access these apps if you add them. And in order to disable that, simply press this escape button and you'll be back to the normal phone. Now in the third way to actually enable power saving mode is to simply scroll down our toolbar, scroll down again, and from here find the battery saving. It might be different on your phone, or you might not even have it. Like in this case, it's right here actually. So we can enable it right here already. And now let's go back to battery settings and let me explain you the few basic settings. Now at the battery saver, and we'll be able to set a schedule. And here if you select it based on percentage, you'll be able to set the battery saving mode to be enabled automatically when your battery reaches a certain level. So right now it will be at 60%. So when my phone drops to 60%, it will enable battery power saving mode automatically. Now the next step is to enable turn off when charged. So when you actually charge your phone to 90%, battery power saving mode will turn off automatically. Now here you can read what battery power saving mode will actually do, and let me actually explain this. So the first one is to turn on the dark mode. So if we enable the power saving mode, as you can see, it already changed to the darker screen, and it's not as bright and white as it was before. So now the next option is to turn off and restrict background activity, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So it will disable your Google Assistant, it will disable all synchronization. So if you have Google Photos installed and you're constantly uploading photos automatically to the cloud, it won't happen anymore. And that's basically makes it for our battery power saving mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.